Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to bend object in 3ds Max. All right, so first up, let's just go ahead and add in a simple box right here. Maybe like this one. Okay. So all you got to do next is just basically go to modifier, add in a modifier, which is bend. Click on it. Now when you go ahead and bend an axis, for example, the Z axis right here, all right, you're not actually bending it. You're just making a line. All right. So how do we actually bend it? Just like this one. Let's say I'm going to amp it up just like so. Okay. So how do we actually bend it? First up, we're going to need to click on the box and then add in what? The length segment with segment right here and height as well. So let's just go ahead and add in maybe 10 and 10 and 10. Okay. View wireframe right here. As you can see, it is now bent. You can now go ahead and go back to bending right here. Change the angle if you want to. Just like so. It could be Y or the Y axis. Or X, just like so. You have limits here as well, but it depends on you. All right, but that's just basically it. That is how we bend objects here in 3ds Max. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.